Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, today, Sunday, 28th of May 2023, me as a host from 10 RPL to start this weekend tech talk with my friend Muhammad Fatir as um, the talker. So today, Muhammad Fatir is going to be talk about uh, authentication with Laravel. So, place and time is yours, Muhammad Fatir.
Okay. Hello. Good evening, everyone. So today, I will be the speaker in this WTT or we can take talk. And today, I will talk about uh, authentication in Laravel. So let's go to the project. Okay. But before you, this is Laravel. You have to install some of uh, you have to install PHP or yeah, PHP, XMPP, Composer, and anything else. So uh, I hope that you already installed on your computer. Okay, so let's go to the project. Okay, so first just open the terminal, or I will use git bash. So I will use so just open the terminal and I will use git bash and then move the directory to the folder you want. Like example, I will move the directory to C, example pp, details, and then we install the Laravel. So this is the command composer Laravel slash composer create this project Laravel slash Laravel, and then uh, the version the version of Laravel you want, and I will use version 8.0. So I will type like 8.0, and then the name of the project maybe our Laravel. Then just wait until the install done. Okay, first you have to, okay, we, mm, yeah, I hope you already installed your exam PP on your computer and composer. Then we can just running the Apache and Apache for, I forget the name, but, and then MySQL. Uh, this is very important because we will use MySQL for the database. Then the install haven't done. we will wait until the install done. And yeah, we can today in this WTT I will talk about the authentication, and I think I will use the one of package from Laravel. It is Laravel 45, and at first I want to use Laravel UI. I want to make it simple because we don't need to make like the page for home or for show the data. But if we use Laravel UI, we have to comment npm install. It will, and yeah, it will be a very long time. And when I try, and yeah, the npm is error, and it's a uh, socket time. So yeah, the install already done, and then we move to we move the directory to the folder, Laravel folder, our Laravel. Then just type code space and the and then yeah, the Visual Studio Code will be open and then project. So mm, we okay, open the terminal and type pp artisan and pp artisan. I'm not sure, but yeah, we will open the document of Laravel because I haven't used Laravel for maybe 1 month because I have a lot tasks. I have to make a book of Laravel, but forget about Laravel. So yeah, after we install, okay, PHP itself, PHP artisan self, and then just copy the link and open the browser. And yeah, this is a Laravel version 8. So I will make the authentication. Yeah, maybe I will use this page for the authentication. So okay, Laravel 45 is uh, package from Laravel is for authentication and authorization. Then we will do uh, authentication. It means we have to uh, do something with uh, our database. So we will make the database first. Yes, localhost php Yes. Localhost slash php and don't forget to start the exam pp. Then create the new database of Laravel. This is the example. And then create and don't create the table. We will create the table later. So we move to our project, open the Visual Studio Code, and then go to the env, and then you have to this is database data db database. Okay, change the Laravel to the name of your database. You already made. Mine is out. Laravel. And then you can go to the mm, database folder and go to the migration and see this is a table for user. Laravel already made for us, so I think we will delete this one because we don't. Maybe we will need later. And yeah, we can just open the terminal and uh, type the command php artisan migrate. Then boom, migrate already done, and you can go to the database, just reload the database, and as you can see, uh, this is the table of the Laravel. Um, the table Laravel made for us, which is Laravel is making our coding become simple. So we will make the authentications and can open Laravel, open your browser and search for Laravel 45 and go to the laravel.com and just scroll and yeah, installation. To get started, install 45 using the Composer Package Manager. So you have to you must to have the Composer for using Laravel, not only in Laravel 40, right? And you can copy the Composer required Laravel size 45 and go to the your project and just paste. And yeah, the Composer will install your Laravel 45. We will wait until the install done. Okay, the install already done and back to the documentation of Laravel. The next publish Spotify results using the vendor publish comment. So just copy again and paste in paste on your terminal. Boom. Then its comment will publish Spotify exam. Yeah, you can read. You can open the documentation of Laravel and then next you should migrate your database. Okay, we will migrate. Grab and migrate. And yeah, then but okay. Uh, you can open your apps folder and then yeah, that is provider. And you can open Spotify service provider. Yeah. Just ignore it because it's nothing. We still can use it. Let's try what make it for error. But I think it's the class is already imported, so yeah, nothing important. So just ignore the error because we can still run the project. And then maybe we will make the root. You can open root folder and then go to the web.php, web.php. And yeah, this function is root. We have function return view welcome. Welcome is this is the welcome page. And then if you want to, so basically we have to make login page, and I think we will using template. Can we will uh, I will looking I will looking for in the internet. So uh, looking page telling me, and yeah, followed by it there is followed by it. So before we copy the code, we have to um, go to the Laravel tailwindtss.com, and we will install using the CDN because uh, I don't want to take a long time from Tailwind CLI. So we will use CDN for the Tailwind. So just okay, make the go to the resource view and make a folder. I think we will yeah, no, make a folder. Yes, make a folder, new folder, and think we will maybe uh, layout. And then this is for the tag for HTML. The like there will be tag head, and tag body, and we will uh, create a new file in the layout. So just add dot blade dot php, and then yeah, blade is a feature from Laravel. This is the template engine. So sometimes I forget about it, but there will be always the documentation. So just make HTML like folder. Sorry. Yes, done. Okay. We will change the title and font of it. And then we will copy the script for Tailwind in this file. This is for the layout, so we can just call this extend to the another page, another file. So we don't need to make doc type HTML, HTML link, and head, body. So we don't need to make uh, HTML tag again. So we can just call it using blade. So I will show you. So I think the CDN already done. And then I'll install the flow byte. Don't forget to install the flow byte. Okay. Go to the docs, introduction, scroll down, quick start. Okay, this is the okay. We will use CDN. We can just copy this link with CDN and then um, paste to uh, tag head and then and include the following JavaScript file before the end of the guide. So we have to copy this text script and then paste in here before the end tag and body. And then yeah, so uh, we will. I think we don't need navbar because we just using the button. Then what's wrong with this? Something. Um, yeah, we forget to add. So uh, I'm a human. Sometimes I forget something. So yeah, add this yield to your body type. Was we can call this file uh, in another file using this yield, and we can name it mine. So make another folder in views, out, and then I think we will make the register page dot php, and then we can use extend like this. Okay. Mm. And don't forget to install the extension Laravel. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's snippet. So as you can see, yeah, it will make our progress easier. So be uh, wait, extend, yeah, extend. Okay, we will see my last project. See, okay, that's right. So they be extend. Um, what is it? Extend. Oh, the file of this one layout lay, layout layout and app layout dot app, and then b session mine. Okay, mine is in here. Mine. It seems we can call it. Then we just put the code. Uh, we will make the login page. So what is it? Go to the flow by, then search for the login page. Login. I think we will use uh, this one maybe. Show code and copy the code and just boom, paste and make this more clean. That's it. Okay, we done with the register plate, register page, and just this is login page, but I think you can just change this. We have to uh, add more input. Okay, we will show this. Okay. First, I will show the page first. We go to the root, and then sometimes I forget about the root. That's up here. Let me. Okay, we can use root. I think there is not root. We have to make a button for root for the page. So Okay, just make the button. We'll make in here maybe, or just make another file. Make another file. I think my outlet new file and form.blade.php and then use the feature of the blade. Forget to add the insertion. Then we hit the button. We can go to my GitHub and then go to the library repository of library.app and then you can go to the what is it, resource view and I think book and we will click the button. I think the button is a component in my software. So this is yes, copy this. We'll make it like button. Wait, this one. And then copy in here and make it like a button. Using class. Okay, just open the documentation of Tailwind and search for the button. It will make our progress easier. Press the button. Okay, I think the code is okay. Just make it button with button. Then select the and we have to make the root of this page. We read root get size home function return view home. Yeah. Function. Oh, okay. You just start the serve. Okay, the answer. And then back to your browser and home. Yeah, this is the button, but the button. Where is it? Wait, home. I think we'll use 4 byte and search button. And we'll use the default. Just copy the code and then mm, have okay view code prep and register and add her, or we can just change this one to account link, but this is still the button. And not this one, but this one. Root register, and you can put your, and yeah, this is your button. We'll do the same thing to the login button and just copy this one and put in here. Change the button to become green. And yeah, we have two buttons, register and login, but we don't have the register page. So uh, register like the PHP, and I think you can go to the um app providers and certified service provider. Mm, okay, Fortify, register view, functions, return view, view, the register, and then back to your browser and see this is work or not. So still not working. Where out register. I think we can read the error of 45. So if you respond, it's not achievable. Go to the app.let.pl register. And then you can see my GitHub resource. And register.let to PHP. I think it's still set, but it's not working. Okay, git register. Hmm. Um, home.net have register. Register. And is not, why is this, why the code is not working? Mm. Okay, we can search in the Stack Overflow. Oh yeah, we forget about this one. We have to. Mm, add provider, service provider, config.php. Oh, config app.php, and then scroll down. Mm, see, we already had 45. Oh, we haven't. Add, can just copy and change this one to 45. Service provider, and go to your, yeah. This is this is the this is login page, but we'll change. Don't forget to add the 40% service provider in app.php. And then we change the page. Let's see, register.play. I think we will copy this one. Count one, two. We will add two. Mm, password and username. And then username, password, and password confirmation. Okay. And yeah, this is the register page. And just remove the, okay, we will ignore anything in here. Yes, the function. Okay, it's already 5 p.m. So you can, as usual, you can open your last project and then go to the controller. I think controller is in console, eh, http controller, library controller. Um, I think we don't need this. So just try it because I forget. Let's make the account for, and yeah, for the button. I think we have to creating soon, but just try it. Okay. Maybe fatir.gmail. Gmail. But I think fatir. I think it will not working because the ID is different, but just try it. Oh, but as you can see, this is the uh, method post. So we have to change become post method get. So we have to change this become method get. I think like the form post for the action. For the action, can we do research register regulated PHP? if you want to make a simple application, you can just use Laravel UI. I want to use Laravel UI, but the connection is not really that good. So yeah, this is okay. And for the action is root register and method is post and cut this end tag to here. So let's use the this. Mm, I think it will not working then. Let's try click this checkboard. Sign in and wait, let's see in the database. Yeah. Okay. I think uh, before we yeah, I think we have to make what is it? ID. The ID is what is it? Like as you can see, what's the input? Email, email input, and the type email name value. Or this is really hard. So I think we have to start using Laravel UI because I think it is complex. And yeah, let's use Laravel UI. I don't know how long is it, but Laravel UI is make our code more simple. So you can just go to github.com/laravel/ui and then composer require Laravel UI. You can copy this one and then I think we have to make another project. So this is my bed. So before you start something, I think uh, you have to get your preparation. And let's start from the beginning. Once I create the project, Laravel, Laravel, I will use the same version and I will use Laravel and then wait until the installs done. It's not empty. Just do it again. Composer. The name is wrong. The name is already used on another. So the project directory is not empty. Open another git base and then cd pp docs file then composer. Okay, we will make it fast by using the documentation and just copy and paste and just change the name, maybe Laravel UI, then wait until the install done. So Laravel UI is you can open the github.com/laravel/ui. And then this is the official documentation. So we can use Bootstrap, Vue, or React. And yeah, generate login or registration scaffolding. We'll use this command about send you a Bootstrap. And then I know it will take a long time, but this is my bad because I didn't do the preparation. So let's make it simple. Wait, the installer haven't done. Um, yeah, the internet is so like I think was hasn't done. So if you're using the Laravel UI, it already you just can use it because we don't need to change the function. We don't need to add the function and just doing so composer require require Laravel UI. I think it will not take a long time, but the npm itself will take a long time. But I think I have the project to show you um, how does it look when it's done, and then pre-partition UI to set out. Yeah, I forget to change the directory. So yeah, let's ignore it. I will move directory to Laravel UI and then install again because I haven't do it require Laravel /UI. So UI and partition complete and then done. So we have partition UI to save out and then we have to npm run then npm install, but I think it will take a long time. So we will just wait and if if it's very take a long time, I will show you. I think I have the folder. I will show you how does it look when you using Laravel UI because we don't need add the function. We can just using. We can just use it. So we don't need add function or maybe change the page. Just use it. You can do registration and login. So I think I will looking for the um, think I still have the file. Yeah, PM1 and PM will okay those Laravel. And yeah, this is um, show more option one in terminal code. So if you're using Laravel, yeah, You have to install npm host and then just go to the env, I think, env and make the database. Laravel. We will see if it work or not. So go to your uh, local host pair to my admin and then make another database Laravel UI and then it's we are design integrate. Okay, it's already the profile. So the and then let's see. Create sensor. Let's refresh. Wait. Open another local house. Process design. Yeah, as you can see, NPM error network. So if you're using Laravel UI, it will take a long time. Just clear it and um, so oh yeah, I forget. We will not use nphp at sensor. We will use npm run there. We'll wait until the fix is not. Is it yes, it's not working. As you can see this. It will take a long time. And let's go to the resource. You can see this if you're using Laravel UI. Laravel UI already add the login page and register page and just verify your account. Okay, it's done and npm and this I hope it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, finish and um, I think there will be the last comment npm run. Okay, just see the documentation of Laravel. You run there. I think we done, but I think yes, npm run dev and npm design, npm run dev. Okay, we'll wait. Yeah, so we have to do it again. npm run dev and refresh your local host. Phoenix. Mm, I forget to how to open the game running, but we done with the npm. So we'll see the documentation. Um, Laravel, if you're a programmer, you have to search. If you forget something, you have to search. And yeah, the database I will read and oh, wait, let me see. Okay. We already make it the database, the example, and go to the root to go to the home. Um, and yeah, this is the Laravel UI. So we can do register like at the gmail.com and register, and you can see in your database in your table in the user table. That's my account. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to make it simple, you can just use Laravel UI. Mm, yeah, your login. So we done with the authentication, and then how about the yeah, I will talk the authentication. Yes, authentication because it's already 1 hour. So if you want to make your project more simple, you just can use Laravel UI and then forget the hours because Laravel 45 only at the login page, user page, and the root and the profile. So just use Laravel UI. So I think we done. Sorry for take your 1 hour. So just move to the I think the email to yeah. So thank you, and yeah, we back to the host.
Okay, thank you so much, Fatir, for the material. And for the material today, it's authentication for Laravel. So it can make a login and register function in your website with um, middleware. And then maybe that's all from us. Me as a host, Muhammad Zaidan Firis, and Muhammad Fatir, my friend, as a speaker of this session. Let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.